How to add multiple face accessories in Roblox. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can put on multiple accessories, multiple face accessories in your Roblox. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is head over to Avatar. First, of course, you will need to open up your Roblox and then log in into your account. After that, simply tap on your avatar and there we are. Now, after you're on your avatar, head over to accessories and head over to the face accessories. So let's first do that. So there we are. Now, since I only own this one, I have this one on. But if you have multiple avatars, accessories, you can simply open it up like this in another app. Another tab. So after doing this, what you can do is you will need to open up this. So let me open this as well. So it's right here. Now what you'll need to do is right here, you will need to tap on advanced. Now under advanced, you can just add assets and the number you will want to add is this one right here. Under the URL, you will see this code. Simply copy this, head over here and paste it. After you paste that, you can do the same for here. Now this might only work when you have actually bought the face accessory, so make sure that you buy these accessories as well. And after you do that, you will also find a number here which you will need to copy and then paste it again right here. So paste that and do the same for this one. Copy this and then paste it right here. After doing that, tap on the save button, and after you tap on the save button, you'll have all of those accessories right here. Now since I have not bought these accessories, it's not showing right here, but after you buy it and use the numbers in the URL, it should be right here in your avatar. And it's that simple. That is how you can use multiple accessories on your face on Roblox. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.